My experience here has been amazing and not short of life-changing. It's the dieta that I was on and the other medicines that were offered here, besides just ayahuasca, have really opened my my mind and my spirit to a completely new world. The amount of healing work I've seen done at this place with not just me but with everyone here has been phenomenal. Nobody comes here unchanged. It was definitely an amazing experience. The facilitators were all so kind and so loving, and their mission has been just perfect. I definitely will probably be returning to be a part of, hopefully, this team someday. If anybody's worried about coming to drink ayahuasca, I say take that worry as a good sign. It means you're holding this opportunity that you're facing with some sacredness, and to not be afraid. And if you know you have some trauma or some healing work that you'd like to do and you don't know how to heal, then I think that it's imperative that you have the courage to just take that leap of faith and see what happens, because I promise you'll be pleasantly surprised.